Hello kids, I'm here to present to you how to go to the Google Classroom and do the work of the drawing one, the math lesson um, 1.7. So what we need to do is we go to the apps, we go to the Google Classroom. In the Google Classroom, you will going to work as a teacher. In my case, I'm going to put Mr. Reyes here. And I go into Mr. Reyes first grade. I go into my classrooms, my classwork, and in the classwork I go into the one that say understand their themes. So here we have some stuff in here, is some materials. You have two videos in here, you have to see them, and after that answer the form that is in here to let me know that you finish and you do that. In this one in here, you have to go with representing teams numbers. So this is the one that I'm going to be working, the one that say Math Lesson 1.7 IP. So this is what you're going to see, is this one. So you see that we have in here 10. So what I do, I get one of each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 in there. Right now, I want to get this one that is 18. I know that I have this 10 base here. So what I have to do is fill all of this one by getting one of each one. So I'm going to get one from this one. So it's 1. Then I get one from this one to get different colors too. And you could do any ways that you want. Really, I don't care if you can put one color or the color, it's okay. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I need to get the other 8 because I already have 10. So I have my first number in there. So I now have to move a little bit in there. So be careful when you touch it that you don't move it from the place. But other than that, it's going to be good. So you have 8 in there. I need to get 8 more because I have 10 already. So I need 8 more. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more, 8. So I have here my 18. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have my 18 over there. So right now that I finished, I continue with the next one. I hope that you enjoy this video and you could do it by yourself. What you have to do is finish all the other ones that we have in here and send it to me. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.